to get more sales and more customers. We're going to take a look at the aftermath of what's happened since we've launched our store and launched our ads. So now that we've had some data coming in, I'm going to show you guys how our store looks now, which ads have been performing and which ones haven't, and what we can do with this information. I'm also going to talk about some advanced ad strategies that you can implement into your ad campaigns to get more sales and more customers coming into your store. We're also going to fulfill some of the orders that have been generated through ads so far, and I'm also going to show you guys some issues that may occur when you're dropshipping and how to solve them. So let's get started. Hey guys, it's been about 2 weeks since we officially launched the store, and I just wanted to give you guys an update about how everything is going, how the ads are running, and what everything looks like right now. So as you can see, I made some updates to the site, and I changed the theme, changed the logo, and just made everything look a little more cleaner. So that's one thing that we've updated, changed the website, and I've added in our collections, some reviews, and also added in a blog. All these things will kind of contribute to the community aspect of your business, and you really want to add in these extras such as like a blog or your story and limited edition items, because it really gives your store that brand value that customers are looking for when they buy into a company. So that's the update with the store itself. And I'm going to share with you guys how the ads are performing and how everything is going on that realm. So let me show you guys. So as I've mentioned before, reviewing your ads is a super important part of the whole e-commerce process. You want to be seeing which ads are working, which ones are not, and which ones you may need to cancel. So we're going to review the ads that we're running right now, and I'm going to show you guys how they're performing. And what you want to look for is the performance of different ad copies and creatives. So if you're testing different text and different visuals, you want to see which ones are capturing attention and which ones aren't. And you also want to check your quality ratings, which is how your ad is comparing against other ads in a similar niche on Facebook. And you also want to check your cost per result, how much it's costing you for each result that you're looking for on that ad. So let me show you guys how this looks. So right now I have ads running for 3 of the main products that I'm featuring on the store. One is a smart sleep therapy pod, which is like a music device to put babies to sleep. Second is a baby backpack pillow. And third is noise canceling headphones. So let me show you how the ads look. So on the ads manager, what we want to do is we want to look at which ads are performing, which ones aren't. And we want to determine which ads we want to continue running and which ones we may want to cancel. At this stage, it's really important to test ad creatives and see which ones work. So right now, I have 2 ads that I'm looking at right now for the noise canceling headphones. One I have is a carousel ad, which shows a variety of photos of the product in a carousel that you can scroll through. Second, I have an ad that's a video ad. And I can tell right away that they are performing super differently. So we can see that with the carousel ad, we only have 15 results of viewing the content. And for the video ad, we have 150 views of the content. And for the carousel, the cost per result is $2.27. And for the video, it's 16 cents. So you can tell that this ad with the video is definitely better than the carousel ad, and it's one that we should continue to run. And let me just show you guys what the ads look like. So the carousel ad looks like this. So it's usually a successful ad, so I'll probably cancel this one. The editor is really video. I highly suggest you do so because videos are the most effective types of ads on Facebook. And I just simply use iMovie, and it took just over an hour to create that video. So if you have the editing skills and the video creation skills, I highly recommend that you create a video ad. So you can see that the video ad was a lot more successful, and that's basically the information that we want to take from this information here. And just another look at the statistics. I launched the video ad about a day after I launched the carousel one, so it's actually been running for less time. And you can see that the results, there's 15 view content, which means that somebody clicked on the ad and went to the store. So there's 15 for the carousel and 150 for the headphones. So already that's crazy. And the reach is actually lower on the headphones than on the video than on the carousel. So you can see that with a lower reach and getting more results, this is definitely a better ad. And even with the quality rankings, this ad is ranked better on Facebook than the carousel ad. So moving forward, I'll definitely use this video ad for further ads. And the carousel ad, it didn't perform terribly, but it definitely shows that there's improvements to be made, either with the visuals or with the text. I can definitely improve it and get better results than what we got here. So those are some things to look for when you're going through your ads and seeing which ones are performing and which ones are. Alright guys, now that we've had our ads running for a while and gotten some customer information, we want to turn to 2 advanced ad strategies. And these strategies are retargeting ads and lookalike audience ad sets. So this is really important because a lot of customers won't purchase an item on the first time they see an ad. And also, a lot of people aren't able to be reached when you run a regular ad campaign. So I'm going to show you guys how these 2 ad strategies work, starting with retargeting ads. So basically what a retargeting ad is, it's an ability to show your ads to people who have already seen them. And to do this, we're going to create a campaign and create a custom audience with people with our Facebook pixel, with people who have already been to our website. So let me show you guys how to do that. Alright, so to create a retargeting ad, we're going to start on your Facebook Ads Manager and we're going to create a new campaign. So click Create and we'll start a new campaign with the objective being conversions. So hit conversions, scroll down, and we're going to make the daily budget $10 and name the campaign Conversions Retargeting. Cool, and continue. And here we're going to choose our ad set. So here what we're going to do is first we're going to choose the objective as we want people to create a purchase. So that is going to be the objective of this campaign. Now we're going to choose our audience, and here we're going to create a new audience. So hit Create New Custom Audience. And here is where the Facebook Pixel comes in handy. So choose your source as your website, and this is exactly what we want. All website visitors in the last 30 days are who we want to retarget. And we're going to name our audience Website Visitors last 30 days. Excellent. Copy that. We'll also create that for our ad set, create the audience, and hit Done. So here we'll also name that for our ad set name and scroll down. Now here on the ads page, I have a great tip for you guys. So instead of creating a brand new ad, what you can do is actually use an existing ad that performed well. And so how you do this is you can have Business Manager open on a separate tab, and on Business Manager, you can go to your Business Tools menu, scroll down, and go to Page Posts. So this is why it's important to look at your ad statistics to see which ads do well and which don't, because you can actually reuse the same ads again and again, keeping their social proof. So that means you keep the likes, keep the comments, and keep any kind of engagement that you already got on the ad. So on this page post, you're going to go to Ads, and I know for sure that this ad did well. So it reached a lot of people and it got a lot of post clicks. So we're going to use this ad again for this campaign. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy the ad ID and go back to your Ads Manager, and you're going to click Use Existing Posts as opposed to Create Ad. So hit that, and here you're going to enter post ID and submit. Okay, excellent. So now it's going to run this ad with this campaign, which is awesome. So scroll down, everything looks good, and we'll confirm. So this is a really great way to remind people who already showed interest in your store to retarget them again using an ad that you know that works. So that is how you create a retargeting ad campaign. The second type of advanced ad strategy that you can implement is lookalike audiences. And we talked a little bit about lookalike audiences earlier, but I'm going to demonstrate a live demo for you with the data that we've collected now. So essentially what a lookalike audience allows you to do is to show your ad to people who are similar to Facebook users who have already engaged with your brand. So this allows you to capture audiences that you weren't able to capture during the initial ad, but are similar to people who like your content. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this now. And here you'll just want to edit the locations. So instead of just having Canada, I'm just going to delete that. And then this is just going to target all the website visitors in the last 30 days from anywhere in the world. So we don't really want to specify where these people are from, because if they are from other countries, we still want to target them. So because of that, we're not going to specify the age, gender, or detailed targeting either. We're just going to limit it to anybody who's visited the website in the last 30 days. And now we can save this audience. So name it website visitors last 30 days and save. Excellent. And continue. So to create a lookalike audience campaign, we're again going to start on the Ads Manager page and create a new campaign. And here we're going to start a new campaign with a conversion objective. And scroll down, we're going to name this Conversions Lookalike Audience Website Views. And we're going to set the daily budget to $10 and click Continue. Now on this page, what we're going to do is we're going to set the conversion objective to view content. And the reason we're going to do view content instead of purchase is because when you're reaching out to a lookalike audience, this is essentially still the first time that you're reaching out to this audience. So a lot of audiences need some warming up, as they call it, before they make a purchase. So for the first time that this audience sees this ad, they will then view the content, and then what's going to happen is they're going to be funneled into people who have viewed your page in the last 30 days. Then your retargeting campaign will then target these users again, and on the second time around, they're more likely to make a purchase. So our goal for this ad campaign is to simply get them to view a page on our website. So you're going to select View Content and scroll down. And here we're going to create a new audience. So you're going to click Create New Lookalike Audience. And here you're going to use the data source of the boutique pixel. And you're going to select the events with the value View Content. So anybody who's viewed content on your page on the last 30 days. And audience location, we're going to add all of our locations. So Canada, United States. So add all of the locations that you're targeting. Australia, United Kingdom, and New Zealand. Okay, and then scroll down, and I'm going to make this lookalike audience 3%. So that means Facebook is going to take 3% of the people that match all this criteria that you selected and target them. And I'm going to create that audience. Awesome. And here again, just edit this location and remove Canada, and it's going to target everybody worldwide who fits this criteria. We've already set the criteria to those countries, so it's already set. And scroll down, we'll save this audience as lookalike audience, Big Four plus New Zealand. Save. Okay, awesome. And automatic placements looks good. One thing I am going to edit, I'm just going to edit the age. We still do just want to target 24 to 40. And we're going to target females as well. So don't want to miss that step. Okay, looks good. Update it. Great, and it's just going to update your saved audience, so you don't have to do everything over again. Scroll down and hit Continue. And again, so same with this campaign, we're going to be using a post that we know that was successful. So we're going to take this ad ID again, copy it, go back to our ads manager, make sure you select your Instagram account as well, and use existing post. And here we're just going to enter our post ID. Great, it's already filled it in. And if everything looks good, make sure the Instagram is connected. And name this ad name, lookalike audience, 40% off sleep therapy pod. Okay, perfect. And we're going to confirm that campaign. So that is how you create a lookalike audience campaign to capture people that may not have been captured by your ads the first time around. So you're capturing people that are similar to others who have viewed your page.